Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Terry here, and in today's video we are going to be doing this fall inspired simple glittery cut crease. So to start off, I'm going to be priming my lids using my Urban Decay primer potion. Your eyeshadow cannot and will not budge using this primer. And then I'm going to take my JUVIA'S Place NUBIAN 2 palettes, and I'm picking the shade Jezebel, and I'm putting that shade above my crease. Then I'm picking Kenya from the same palette, and I'm putting that shade below Jezebel. That's the shade I just applied. This is to darken my crease a little. Using my e.l.f. concealer in the shade medium, I'll be cutting my crease. If you would like an in-depth video on how to do this, just leave it in the comment section, okay? The EVITA Joseph Precision Concealer brush is perfect for cutting your crease. It's already flattened and everything, so it really makes cutting your crease super easy. The next shade I'm taking is Ya from the same palette. Guys, I think I only used one palette in this video. I'm applying some duo lash glue onto my lids before I apply my glitter from EJ Beauty in the shade PORELESS, I think. So if you're new and you've never seen my face before, welcome. My name is Terry and I'm a YouTuber and a hairstylist based in Accra, Ghana. I post videos every single week about hair, makeup, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in videos like this, please smash the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload from me.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be.
You need to wipe off all the fallouts from your glitter before you get into the face makeup.
It's stuck in my head. It's me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna.
I've been loving this eyeliner lately, COLLEN Dip Liner from Silver Queen Cosmetics. So I didn't wing out my eyeliner, I just blended it into the darker shade in my crease. You can see what I'm doing.
For the thrill of it, don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
My lashes are from AOA Studio in Luxurious. These lashes are so fluttery and pretty, guys.
Regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about our curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it
after priming my face, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 450. And then I blended it out using my foundation brush.
Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop.
Check out my Instagram, yeah, right here, and follow me at Terrie.Berrie. Guys, I freaking love this name. Terrie.Berrie. And comment on any of my pictures letting me know that you're from my YouTube family, guys, and I would love to meet you.
Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it.
So for my brows, I'll be using my Expert Brow Definer Pencil from EJ Beauty in the shade Espresso. I just fill them in slightly. And then I'm buffing out my foundation with my Real Techniques sponge. To conceal under my eyes, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to highlight with FAWN. And then I blended everything together using my foundation brush. Yes, the same foundation brush, cause Charlie, we can't come and die. For contour, I'll be using my black Radiance contour palette in the shade Dark to Deep. The sculpting shade I used for my nose, and the contour shade I used for around my face. I'm going to leave links to all the products that I'm going to use on my blog, which is IamTerrieBerrie.com. Everything I'm using here is there, guys. Check it out if you don't see it in the description box. Please, guys.
We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. You want to, please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude.
I used my SACHA Buttercup setting powder to set my face. I didn't bake, guys. I buffed this into my face using my Real Techniques blending sponge immediately after applying it.
Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end.
For my waterline, I used my jet black eyeliner from LA Colors, and then I went in with the two previous shades that I used in my crease, that is Jezebel and Kenya. I blended those two shades in my waterline, underneath my waterline, to create some continuity, you know.
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about our curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you.
The setting spray I'm using is the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray.
I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
So I'll be lining my lips using this dark brown brow pencil. And then I'll be mixing these two shades. This one is from Colored Rain in the shade Brick House. Guys, this is my first Colored Rain liquid lipstick. Guys, I can't believe nobody told me about this. I also use this dark plum shade to outline my lips, but I cannot remember where this lipstick is from. The name is Rub Off. So yeah.
Me and you, both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let.
For highlighter, I'm using the shade Zuri from my Nubian 2 palette. This shadow is a beautiful highlighter shade. Don't be deceived. You can use highlighter for eyeshadow and eyeshadow for highlighter.
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just.
Hey, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it genuinely helps you. And share this video with anyone you know, family, friends, anyone. And also comment down below what you as a viewer would love to see me do on this channel. It really helps me find a sense of direction while creating content for you guys. It's really helpful. The two lipsticks side by side, and yeah, we're done, guys. And it's a wrap. I'm out, guys. Peace.
Mess around